Hello friends, today I am going to share with you 100 most important question of computer science you have to know about at least these 100 most commonly asked question before going for an interview or test.
What is any part of the computer that you can physically touch? Hardware. 2. Which generation of computer is still under development? Fifth. 3. What is the most common storage device for the personal computer? Floppy disk. 4. Which key is used in combination with another key to perform a specific task? Control. 5. What is the pattern of printed lines on most products? Barcodes. 6. To make the number pad act as a directional arrow, we press which key? Shift. 7. Which devices that let the computer communicate with you? Input. 8. What is the most frequently used piece of hardware for inputting data? Hardware. 9. What is the place where the computer stores programs and data? Storage unit. 10. What is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors? Formatting. 11. What is the space in your computer that loads and works with data? RAM memory. 12. What is the storage which stores or retains data after power off? Non-volatile storage. 13. What will be typical acronym of reusable optical storage? CD-ROM. 14. What contains specific rules and words that express the logical steps of an algorithm? Syntax. 15. What is the pictorial representation of a program or algorithm? Flowchart. 16. What is the smallest unit of information a computer can understand and process? Bit. 17. Which is a program that make easy to use a computer? Utility. 18. What converts and executes one statement at a time? Interpreter. 19. What includes the programs or instructions? Software. 20. Who designs, writes tests and maintains computer programs? Operator. 21. Who writes and tests computer program? Programmer. 22. What term used to define all input and output devices in a computer system? Hardware. 23. What is a word in a web page that, when clicked, opens another document? Hyperlink. 24. What refers to a small, single-site network? LAN. 25. What does consist of one or more web pages located on a web server? A website. 26. What does allow voice conversations to travel over the Internet? Internet telephony. 27. Which software that allows users to surf the Internet? Browser. 28. What does allow you to access objects and start programs? Start menu. 29. What contains commands that can be selected? Menu. 30. What of software contains lists of commands and option? Menu bar. 31. Data that is copied from an application, where is stored? In the clipboard. 32. Which menu type is also called a drop-down menu? Pull-down. 33. What includes the file name and possibly a directory of folder? File directory. 34. What is the name a user assigns to a document called? File name. 35. What is in text that you want printed at the bottom of the page? Footer. 36. What is a document means to make changes to its existing content? Edit. 37. A microprocessor is the brain of the computer and is also called by which name? Microchip. 38. Which type of computer could be found in a digital watch? Embedded computer. 39. What takes on different shapes depending on the task you are performing? Mouse pointer. 40. Soft copy is an intangible output, so then what is a hard copy? The printed output. 41. One puts information into the computer by pressing which key? Enter. 42. Letters, numbers, and symbols found on a keyboard are called by which name? Keys. 43. What is the data and instruction entered in the memory of a computer? Input. 44. What usually appears in the shape of an arrow? The mouse pointer. 45. What is the primary device that a computer uses to store information? Hard drive. 46. Which uses laser technology to store large amount of information? CD-ROM. 47. What part of the computer provides only temporary storage of files? RAM memory. 48. Which is a removable magnetic disk that holds information? Floppy disk. 49. What is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors? Formatting. 50. What is the box that houses the most important parts of a computer system? System unit.
1. The operating system called Unix is typically used for which computers? Web computers. 52. What is an error in a program which causes wrong result? Bug. 53. What is a program that makes the computer easier to use? Utility. 54. What is the process of preparing a floppy diskette for use? Formatting. 55. Which is the part of a computer that one can touch and feel? Hardware. 56. What are the peripheral devices such as printers and monitors considered? Hardware. 57. Which device that connects to a network without the use of cables? Wireless. 58. What is a popular way to learn about computers without ever going to a classroom? E-learning. 59. To view information on the web, what must have? Web browser. 60. Which devices are used to transmit data over telecommunications lines? Modems. 61. Which software program used to view web pages? Browser. 62. Which output is made up of pictures, sounds, and video? Multimedia. 63. An email account includes a storage area, what is often called? Mailbox. 64. Something which has easily understood instructions, what is said to be? Analog data. 65. What are lists of commands that appear on the screen? Menus. 66. Windows 95, Windows 98, and Windows NT are known as what? Operating systems. 67. What is the term used to describe the window that is currently being used? Active window. 68. For creating a document, you use which command at File menu? New. 69. What is to add or put into your document such as a picture or text use? Insert. 70. Which elements of a Word document can be displayed in color? All elements. 71. What is a collection of information saved as a unit? File. 72. Numbers and formulae entered in a cell, what are called? Numeric entries. 73. What is a collection of related information sorted and dealt with as a unit? File. 74. A command that saves what you are working on into the hard drive. Save. 75. Which mouse technique is used for access in properties of any object? 76. Which powerful keys that let you exit a program when pushed? Escape key. 77. Which devices you use such as a keyboard or mouse to input information? Input device. 78. Which device can understand difference between data and programs? Microprocessor. 79. What is the mean of data gathering in computer? They allow to use data store. 80. What is the set of instructions which tells a computer what to do? Program. 81. The operating system is the most common type of which software? System. 82. Which peripheral device displays information to a user? Monitor. 83. Which manual tells you how to use a software program? User. 84. What is the most important or powerful computer in a typical network? Network server. 85. What makes it possible for shoppers to make purchases using their computers? E-commerce. 86. By which name, also called the web, contains billions of documents? World Wide Web. 87. Generally, you access the recycle bin through an icon. Where is this located? On the desktop. 88. What is a blinking indicator that shows you where your next action will happen? Cursor. 89. Which type of file is created by word processing program? Document file. 90. In a spreadsheet program, which contains related worksheets and documents? Workbook. 91. Which application is commonly used to prepare a presentation, slideshow? PowerPoint. 92. In which group do we work at the time of text formatting in Word? Table, paragraph and indexes. 93. Which computer refers to the fastest, biggest and most expensive computer? Supercomputer. 94. Which device is used as the standard pointing device in a graphical user environment? Mouse. 95. Which key moves the cursor one space to the right or puts spaces in between words? Spacebar. 96. The speakers attached to your computer used for which purpose? Handling sound and music. 97. What is the box that contains the central electronic components of the computer? System unit. 98. What happens when the computer is turned on and the operating system is loading? Booting. 99. The process of writing out computer instructions is known as which name? Compiling. 100. What is the ability of an OS to run more than one application at a time? Multitasking.